Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and you've watched my 1,000+ videos in the past, and I talked about the drought and how bad the drought's got. Well, you can't read the newspapers or the headlines or listen to the news or watch the news and not know that California, we're embroiled in the worst mega drought in our history. It's horrible. But I'm not here to tell you about how bad it is. I'm here to tell you that you can be part of the solution rather than the problem. Our best source of water is conservation. And I'm going to show you how you can be part of the solution. Now, here's the interesting thing. One of the problems with organic gardens is that they take a lot of water. And if you go to the supermarket, I went to a supermarket yesterday, head of cauliflower, $3 a pound. Guess what? I took a picture of it. It's over 2 pounds, $6 for a head of cauliflower. This is crazy. So I want to introduce you here to the garden that recycles water. This is a project where you want to take a look over here in the back over here. This is an area where we just re-landscaped this, pulled out all the grass and put in all these beautiful plants. Beautiful. And the lights that we just installed, they're LED lights. They use 1/5 of the electricity. Okay. So now back to this. So this is a sustainable garden. Sustainability can look absolutely stunningly beautiful. So what we did was, we had the little box here. We put some fish safe, we put some liner in it, food grade liner. We put these little marble-like substances. They're actually baked clay. They're called hydrotons. Filled the box up. We put an irrigation pipe here. You can see this here. And the irrigation pipe, the sole thing that it's going to do is it's going to push water out, and then it's a closed-loop system. It recycles over and over again. We put a tomato here. The idea is this tomato is going to grow over this way here. Now, this is called aeroponic gardening. Now, this is a great system to have. Here's another one. They started out with this, but this looks kind of space-agey. So they're traditionalists and wanted more of a traditional looking garden, so we came up with this here. It was pretty easy. It's a do-it-yourself thing we put together, but look at this beautiful green. This was grown from seed. This is chard. Check that out. It's growing. It's soilless. No soil whatsoever. It's all soilless, and it's growing with aquaponics. You don't need soil, you do need nutrients. So let me pull you around here, and I'm going to show you what we've got. This is the system here, and you can see the water that's squirting out there. Well, what's pushing the water out, where the water comes from, is underneath. There's a little pump right there. And it's like a fish pump, basically. And it's constantly pushing water out, and then the water, after it pushes through the hydrotons, it comes back to the box. So it's a closed loop system. Here's the fertilizer that we've been using. It's tonic A and tonic B. Put those two together in the water, and this thing just really rocks. Check out, yeah, let's get a close-up of that. This is only about 2 weeks old. It's 2.5 weeks old. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Organic, non-GMO, pesticide, herbicide-free. I mean, it really doesn't get better than this, folks. And so, I think I did a little YouTube video on this a while ago when we first put this in. But they've harvested it, and they're starting over again. Easy to do. You can actually thin these out so the plants will get bigger. We have to start thinking different as a society, and this is thinking differently. Soil gardens are, especially vertical soil gardens, vertical soil gardens are the past. The vertical gardens, especially aeroponically, are the way to go. As a society, we need to start thinking of that. I'm here in LA. I put on events once a month. I'd love to invite you to my place where I've got tons of these. But just to show you, as we landscape, ask your landscaper if he's got this knowledge, how you can grow plants, how you can grow it yourself. Non-GMO, organic food. Recycles water, saves not over 90% water over a traditional soil garden. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you. This is how it's done. Sustainability in the landscape. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.